Welcome back to the channel. It's been quite some time since we've got an update of what's happening. So here we go. So we are busy trying to dig out the sand here to make sure that we install a drainage system on the property. It's really needed considering all the rains that have been happening in KwaZulu-Natal lately. As you can see, some of the mud, some of the water that's been coming underground has been stuck here, and this has become more of a clay soil. So with that, the soil doesn't drain well. So we're trying to dig this out and figure out a plan so that we can drain the water properly and see what to do with the space in between the retaining wall and this big slab in the middle here. There is some sort of drainage, as you can see, where this water is trying to go, but the topsoil has been eroded and it has been blocking some of the drainage. As we move along to this next building, we decided that the best way for here is to pave this area, because this is a very weird and funny area, because water would get stuck in the middle here. So when it rains, there'll be puddles of water seeping through the foundation and destroying some of the structures. And what will also happen is, the water would go on the veranda, and when it's on the veranda, it would seep into the building and cause some sort of damage. So we thought the best way is to pave this area, and hopefully in future we can have some pot plants, have some green, some flowers, some plants, so that we can add some color. Because we really do want this place to have a lush garden and lush vegetation, plants, that type of thing. But they did a good job in paving this, and they'll still have to do some more to finish it up, but it's a good start. As we move over to the next building, this is where all the toilets are. We'll get an update on where the guys are. The guys have been MIA, so we managed to get them back in the past few days. These are the doors for the toilets inside. This is the laundry room. So we haven't done much since the last time, but we have to get the electrics for the geyser. The geyser was already here, it was already installed. We still need to paint inside there, get the door sorted out. This is the female toilet. So here, we started some tiling, but in one of the walls, the tiling wasn't done right, so they're going to fix that on the left here. At the bottom, we might see. But we're going to continue to get some waterproofing in here and paint this up and make sure that it's functioning. And then see at the bottom there, you can see it's a bit skewed, so they'll fix that. So there's the second shower in here. We're going to have some waterproofing there, and then got some tiling going. We don't have a big budget for this. It's pretty tight, so we try to save money where we can. At the same time, make sure that the guys do a good job so that the center could function properly and get back into serving the community, get the kids going, get the volunteers to come in and bring back some life into the space, because it's been out of commission for at least 2 years throughout COVID. That's where the vandalism happened. So we're in the next toilet here, which is for the gents. So they are busy installing the pipes now for the water to come into the building. They've done some waterproofing here as well, so got some tiling going, same here. We still have to get the wall for this shower, and we're almost done. And then here's some puppies enjoying the sun, the winter sun. Look at these guys. They tend to love the space.